If you're looking for a quick and effective way to teach your child to read using just 5 simple letters, then you're in the right place. In this lesson, we'll dive into the short I sound, and by the end, your child will be reading words like if and fit with confidence. Let's get started. We'll keep it easy with 2 simple steps. Number 1, get familiar with the letters that we're using, and number 2, build and sound out words. On to step 1, getting familiar with the letters that we're using. First, let's go over the letters we're using today. I, L, F, B, and T. We'll start with the letter I. This is our vowel. Today we're going to be focusing on the short I sound, which is I, as in igloo. You'll hear this sound in every word that we make today. Next is the letter L. The letter L makes this sound, ooh, as in lip. Then we have the letter F. The letter F makes this sound, f, as in fun. Now let's talk about the letter B. The letter B makes this sound, b, as in big. Now try to make that sound without adding an extra at the end, which people sometimes do to make it more audible. So we want it to sound like b instead of b. Finally, we have the letter T. The letter T makes one basic sound, which is t, as in take or tell. Now on to step 2, building and sounding out words. Now today I'm using a white dry erase board that's magnetized, these foam magnet letters, round magnets, a dry erase eraser, and a dry erase marker. So today we're going to start with a 2-letter word. So I'm going to move the letters I and F to my board, put a round magnet under each one, which we'll use to sound out the individual letter sounds. And I'll also add a line with my dry erase marker underneath, which we'll use to blend the sounds together. Let's give it a try. If. Great. Now we're going to change the letter F for the letter T, and we'll sound out this new word. It. Now we'll add the letter F to the beginning, add a round magnet, and we're going to extend our line so that it fits underneath the whole word. And now we'll sound out this new word. It. Fit. All right, now we're going to change the letter F for the letter B, and we'll sound it out. It. Bit. Great. Now we'll change the letter B for the letter L, and we'll sound out this new word. It. Lit. And now for our last word, we're going to change the letter T for the letter B and the letter L for the letter F. And we'll sound out this last word. Fib. Great. Now with just 5 letters from the alphabet, we've created 6 different words. For more simple and fun reading lessons, make sure to check out the other videos in this playlist. And if you're looking for a comprehensive resource to help your child learn to read, I'd suggest that you check out my Simple Words Reading Kit linked in the description below. It's what I use to help my daughter learn how to read. Happy reading!